Wow, what a news! President Duterte kinumpirma na makukulong ng 10 taon si Hontiveros. Nako, anong balita ito? President Duterte has approved legislation toughening the penalties for anybody found guilty of perjury or lying under oath. But his news seemed to surprise Senator Riza Hontiveros after she was charged with perjury by one of the viral lawyers, Attorney Ferdinand Topacio. After stressing the government and prime executives, the president had said law mandated at least 10 years imprisonment of any public official who is proven to have lied to the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. As Duterte signed the law, he also agreed that public officials who seem to have deceived the people should also be paid approximately 1 million pesos. On Thursday, the palace released a copy of Republic Act 11594, Republic Act 11594, which was signed on October 29, 2021, and amended Articles 183 and 184 of the revised Code. The RA 11594 stated the penalty of prison mayor in its minimum period to prison mayor in its medium period shall be imposed upon any person who, knowingly making untruthful statements and not being included in the provisions of the next preceding articles, shall testify under oath or make an affidavit upon any material matter before a competent person authorized to administer an oath in cases in which the law so requires. False testimony in other cases and perjury will be prosecuted by a total of 6 years and 1 day to 8 years imprisonment, and a maximum of 8 years and 1 day to 10 years under the new law. Article 1834 merely stated that the current minimum penalty ranges from 4 months and 1 day to 6 months of imprisonment. The maximum penalty ranges from 6 months to 1 year and 4 months in prison. If the individual responsible for the conduct of the offense is a public officer or employee, the legislation further imposes a fine of up to 1 million pesos as well as everlasting full exclusion from any appointive or elective post. Meanwhile, Article 184 has been changed to punish anybody who willfully and deliberately offers in evidence a false witness or testimony in a court or administrative process as guilty or false testimony. Senator Richard Gordon, leader of the Senate
Humanda ka dahil
on Justice and Human Rights and the principal architect and proponent of the Senate bill, stated that the harsher penalties will prevent individuals from lying.